Hi, this is Prasanna Kumar here. Now let's have a look at the verbs. The verbs are very important in our communication. In grammar, the verb is very important and it is one of the important parts of speech that we must have to teach. So let's have a view at the verbs. Verb is an action word which has two types. One is auxiliaries, the other one is main verb. The auxiliaries and main verbs are very important in communication, without which communication or the verb does not exist. The auxiliaries has two types. One is primary auxiliaries, the other one is secondary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries such as be form auxiliaries, do form auxiliaries and have form auxiliaries. So in be form we have is, am, are, was, were. In do form auxiliaries we have do, does and did. And in have form auxiliaries we have, has, had. Here one thing we have to understand is that these be form, do form and have form auxiliaries are used in present tense and in past tense. For instance, is, am and are is used with present tense actions. Was and were are used in past tense actions. Similarly, did and had also used in past tense. On the other side, do, does and have, has are used to refer to the present actions. Coming to the next one in auxiliaries is secondary auxiliaries. The secondary auxiliaries are used to refer to the future tense. Here some of the secondary auxiliaries are will, can, shall, may, must, ought to, would, could, should, might. In the same way, let's come to the other side, that is the other type of the verb is main verb. These are independent. The examples for the main verbs are teach, write, swim, perform, execute, operate, start, end, play, and the list goes endlessly. Depends upon the actions. I have said earlier that the main verbs are independent because they can stand and give meaning by standing individual. Example, the word teach. So this kind of facility and flexibility is absent for the auxiliaries because they cannot give meaning by standing as a single unit. And the other way, the difference can be managed to explain that the auxiliaries are very much limited in number. You can see this is the family of the auxiliaries, where the number is very much countable. Coming to the other side, main verb. Here the list starts and it does not end. Instead, it continues further. It is quite inexhaustible and it is limitless, infinite. As many actions, so many words we can collect as examples for the main verb. So, by considering these auxiliaries and main verb, we can understand how important the verb is, because the auxiliaries help us to understand the significance of a communication, whether it happens or happened or will happen. In other words, it's past tense, present tense and future tense. In the next class, we will come to know about the use of verb in communication, the extended part of this class. Thank you.